Do you know that ChatGPT can assist you in building software applications? Are you also aware that you can go from having just an idea to having a full-fledged blog post? In this video today, we'll be revealing 10 tasks that you can automate using ChatGPT. Let's get started. Number 1. Making a to-do list. While it's necessary to plan your day, it can also be time-consuming. With ChatGPT, this process can be reduced to as little as the time it takes to craft a prompt. Let's see an example. Prompt: assuming I'm a content creator that needs to create 6 YouTube videos in 5 days and it takes me 6 hours to make each video, create a daily to-do list for these 5 days. I'm usually free from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. I also cannot work for 6 hours straight. In creating this list, endeavor to make sure everything is drafted in a way that'll increase productivity. Send. ChatGPT literally planned my day, adding even things I didn't add, just to make my work easier. Number 2. Coding software applications. Now, one major problem most new developers face is the absence of a portfolio. While following tutorials is very good, building projects is the way to convince your future employer that you're able to do what you claim. And ChatGPT can come to the rescue. From building a weather app to building a responsive calculator app, ChatGPT can take you from zero to hero in your programming journey. Let's see an example. Prompt: build a calculator application using the Python programming language. Employ Python's graphical user interface in this application. Let the application contain the basic arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let the widget be responsive. Include comments in the code. Also present it in a step-by-step manner. Send. Looks good by looking at it. Let's run the code in a code editor to verify that it created or developed what we intended. Open Visual Studio Code. Create a new calculator.py file. Remember, we prompted ChatGPT to create a Python code. Paste the code into the editor and run it. This is so good. Let's perform some basic operations. We didn't even need to debug. Do you know that you could have a portfolio full of these basic applications and use it as work experience to land your next job? Number 3. Writing CV. Your CV is the document that tells your employer about you. While it may not be advisable to use a CV generated by ChatGPT to apply for a job, ChatGPT can help you generate the basic template for the CV. For example, prompt: I am a content writer who has had experience working for company XYZ over the past 2 years. One major achievement of mine was being able to grow their YouTube channel from 1K subscribers to 400K subscribers in 1 year. Write a CV for me to apply for the position of content writer at Appsolute, a similar firm. Send. This is a wonderful template. I don't know why ChatGPT is assuming that the CV should take a code format. I've copied the code and pasted it in a Word document. You can have a look. This is a huge time as well as money saver. Don't you think? Let's go on to the next. Number 4. Generating interview questions. Okay, so ChatGPT isn't just for employees, even employers can use it to their advantage. For example, I'm the Human Resources Manager of Company XYZ. My company renders data analytics services to the general public. I want to recruit a data analyst to join our team. What kind of questions can I probe in an interview to determine the best candidate? Include answers to the questions you asked. Send. I don't know what you think, but this can save hours of time and provide you enough time to do the most important things you need to do. Let's head on to the next. Number 5. Conducting research. Whether you're a student, teacher, content writer, ChatGPT has restructured the way in which research is carried out. Let's see a quick example. Prompt: as a seasoned researcher, carry out a research on current electricity. Let the paper contain the history of current electricity, a brief introduction and literature review, advancements of the technology, conclusion, and future works. Send. And I have a research paper with all my specifications. Almost immediately. The knowledge provided by ChatGPT is enough to carry out further research on the topic and hence produce a better paper. You should consider trying this out. Let's see the next task we can automate. Number 6. Generating datasets. If you're a tech enthusiast, then at some point in your life, you may have been intrigued about generating insights from data. Now, while a lot of datasets exist, it may be time-consuming cleaning them up for use. A better option could be generating a new dataset altogether. So, I asked ChatGPT if it could generate a dataset. It said yes, and gave me some specifications. Look what it was able to come up with. The main fact that it was able to construct a table and pass in data to it makes me wonder what else could this tool possibly do. Number 7. Summarizing text. One of the many things that ChatGPT is used for is summarizing long-form content. Copy whatever content you need to summarize, paste it into the text box, and specify how the summary should be done. Tap the send button and you'll have our summary. Next. Number 8. Suggesting gift choice. While this task may not seem like a big deal, it can really be time-consuming deciding the gift to present to that special someone, newlyweds, or even to parents on their anniversary. ChatGPT excels in this area. Let's take a look. Prompt: Today is the birthday of my colleague at work. I'm female and they're male. Suggest 10 possible gifts that I can present to them on this special day. My budget is $100. Send. And here we have it. This has saved us a lot of time that could have otherwise been spent surfing the internet for gift ideas. If you don't fancy any option here, just type continue into the text box and send. This should give you another 10 alternatives to choose from. Number 9. Learning a new recipe. From learning a new exquisite dish to becoming better at preparing an old one, ChatGPT can turn you into a chef in no time. Let's say we want to learn to make pizza. Enter the following prompt into ChatGPT. I need the recipe for producing pizza. First, list all the ingredients. Then provide a step-by-step approach on how to prepare it. Include any best practices if there is. Send. I didn't have to go to a catering school to get this recipe. Neither did I spend time scouring the internet for this info. Yet I can have homemade pizza. This feels so good. The last item on our list today is starting a blog. From ideation to crafting engaging blog posts, ChatGPT is there for us. Let's see an example. Prompt: Suggest possible blog names for a fashion brand that sells mostly menswear. Send. I like this name, Stylish Gents Haven. Prompt: What kind of things can a brand of this nature blog on? Send. This will be your niche. I like to talk about grooming and personal care. Prompt: Suggest blog topics for this brand on grooming and personal care. Pick one of the topics. I'll pick the first. Now, let's prompt ChatGPT to write a blog post on the ultimate men's skincare routine for the Stylish Gents Haven brand. Amazing. We've got a brand name and also started a blog for our brand with the help of ChatGPT, all without having to crack our brains. AI is here to better our lives, and learning to collaborate with AI is the best decision we can make this year. Thank you for staying with us. We've come to the end of our exploration today. Hope you found it interesting. Like and share this video. Also subscribe to our channel to learn more about how to use various AI tools for your advantage. See you next time. Bye.